What I would like to confirm is that Honorable Muwanga Kivumbi is currently in the hands of police. He is having an interface with the CID officers. Depending on the outcomes of the interaction, either he will be arraigned before court or he will be set free. But what I know is that he's in contact with the police over the issues or the occurrences in his constituents. You will recall that there were incidents of violence and even some lives were lost. So Muwanga Kivumbi had to come into contact with the police to give us a word or two in respect to what transpired. If he's to be arraigned before court, he will be taken to court in the shortest time possible, and we shall be giving you further details as they unfold.
As the procedures, did you acquire from the parliament? Because the member of parliament, you had to acquire from
communication with parliament is a good practice, but nonetheless the law does not in any express terms deter police from arresting any suspect in the country without engaging affiliatory institutions. Honorable Muwanga Kivumbi is, of course, a member of parliament, but that does not bar the law enforcement agency from apprehending him on the account that because it has not communicated. Yeah, it is not binding. Yes.
About the issue of, are you going to retain him? Are you going to release him because you say you're going to question him?
When you come into contact with the police investigations, depending on the outcomes of the engagements, if they find that there is cogent evidence sufficient enough to arraign you before court, then you may not go back home and instead be taken to court. When they find you innocent, or if they find the allegations are weak, they let you go. But for this particular matter, let's wait and see what will come out of the interaction between CID and the Honorable Muwanga Kivumbi.
You hope also to go to Tamba because you always see investigators.
Those are details of the investigators. Yes, welcome.
We reached the CID headquarters. They told us that he was not there. They tossed us around. We moved all over the place. Later on, we were told that he had been brought to Chira here. We have now come to Chira. We have had an opportunity of meeting him and speaking with him. We have asked him which offense he is being charged with. He says to date he does not know which offense he is being charged with. Right now we have left him. He's making a statement, and we are willing, if of course he makes a statement and is taken to court and maybe is charged, we shall be there to represent him in the courts of law for any offense that they will prefer against him.
You literally see people when they are arrested, you torture them. What is his status now?
He's at least he's in a stable condition right now. He's not in a very bad condition like most of the other people who have been arrested. Maybe you could say because he's a honorable member of parliament, that is why they are a little bit kind to him. But of course, others, as you have seen, so much is done to them worse than maybe the Eddie Mutwes and the others who are now being arrested currently. So we believe if he is charged and taken to court, we shall be there to represent him.
As a member of parliament, there are procedures. They're supposed to be arrested and from the parliament.
Yes.
Was this procedure followed?
There is no procedure that was followed. As you know, being a member of parliament is supposed to, you're supposed to get in touch with the speaker, write to the speaker and inform the speaker that you intend to arrest him or you intend to call him to make a statement, but this was not done. All this was flouted. He was just picked from his home. Actually, right now, he's barefooted. He's not wearing anything, and you look at him, he's not really feeling well. But as I said, if he's charged today, we shall be present in the courts of law, and we shall do our best to try to get his freedom.
Your name?
My name is Elotu Jonathan. I am the Secretary for Legal Affairs at the National Unity Platform.
Funya mawulire ku makya nti Honorable Kivumbi aleeteddwa ku CID headquarters e Kibuli. So we twakedde naye tugenze okutegeera bulungi nti ate bamukyusiza ne bamuleeta wano okukira. Tusobodde okumulaba embeera gy'alimu yo sisobola kugamba nti nnungi. Ne waali tayambadde ngatto ne bw'omulaba alinga ekirungi ekimuliko kusingako ku balala be tuzze tulaba be bakwata ye tebaamukubye kumuteekako obuvune obukongovule. Tumubuuzizza n'essaawa eno tamanyi musango ki gwe bamuvunaana. Bamugambye kati akole statement then tulabe ekiddako. Ffe kye tusinga okusaba bw'aba balowooza nti alina omusango gwonna gw'alina bamuleete mu mbuga z'amateeka awozesebwe. Kyanaku nnyo okusanga nti gavumenti eno kati tekyagoberera mateeka gonna, kubanga nga member of parliament waliwo amateeka galina okugobebwa okubanga akwatibwa tebalina kye bakoze ate tebali willing kubaako kye bakola. Embeera gye tulimu naye tusaba singa bamutwala mu kooti oba musango ki gwe bamuteekako ffe tuli redde tujja kumuwolereza tukole kye tusobola tulabe nti asobola okuddamu